All right, so it's been a while. I haven't made like an update or uh, showing like what I got going on around here in a little while. So figure it's time. Um, Start off here. There, I got a TRX 450. As you can tell, it's cut in half. So that's gonna be a TPC 450 trike. I sent the frame out. It's going to be getting worked on and sent back with the trike kit so I can bolt up all the motor parts, all that stuff. So that's in the works. I've been doing a lot of powder coating. This is Buddy's frame. It's a 85 250R. My oven. So you can see I kind of slid it into the back corner a little bit. Had the notch of stairs, but it sits over there pretty well. It's been working very good so far. I run it off of propane. I put a little gate swing wheel on it. Opens nice. And it's 6 foot, 6.5 feet tall by 4 foot wide by 4 foot deep. Yeah, it's been great so far. Working good. I run it off of a 100-gallon propane tank with a 170,000 BTU propane heater. It's been working, pretty good so far. All the other toys in here about the same as last time. I did sell my Tri-Z. Just don't fit in. There's a lot of red Hondas in here. Had to get rid of the Yamaha. I'm working on a Foreman 450. That's my stepfather's. The top end in it smoked. So we're going to be throwing a new top end in it. And hopefully get that back up and going. And the piece de la resistance. Right here. Just dropped the motor in it. It's a 310. It is ported. It's been hitting a little hiccups there along the way and everything, but it's been okay so far. I've only had a few issues like my airbox. I made it airbox, but I did not have my fucking coolant bottle in. So with the coolant bottle, put the airbox in, it hits the coolant bottle, so it doesn't fucking fit. So I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that yet. I might just delete the fucking coolant bottle. I mean, it's not really needed, so we'll see. Worst comes to worst, I'll run a pod filter straight out. Yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about this. I just got the motor in it. Brand new side cover. What else did I get? I got the brand new ESR exhaust flange. I got a brand new head. Cylinder is on its last bore. It's a 73 millimeter. I do want to get a new one. This one's kind of faded, the water pump cover. I did put my radiators on tonight. I'm missing one of the freaking grommets. I cannot find it anywhere. I got the trees on. Still got to shorten the forks, so I haven't bothered sliding them in yet. We're going with the invert kit from Lewis Mikey, I believe. The old milkman. That's where the kit came from. I still got to do the forks, like I said. But I powder coated this frame as well. Of course, it's mine, so I went all out on her. She came out mint. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. I've been dicking with that 450. Collecting parts for it and trying to put this together. Got a whole parts pile just chilling over here. I'll show you what I got going on up powder coat land. So upstairs in my garage, I set it up for powder coat before I made my big oven. So this is my spray booth. I can't remember if I showed everything. But I got the small oven and the little toaster oven for, smaller size parts. I did get a new powder coat gun. So I went with the Columbia Coatings 02 LED. It was a basic kit that I bought, but I ended up buying the hoppers, the the extra nozzle pieces, and I got the multi-coat nozzle, which is really the main thing that you want. That thing is a freaking lifesaver. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Any coat with that freaking thing, it just sticks. It's awesome. Some parts chilling over here. Nice pipe. That's for the old 350X right there. I just Cerakoted that. I had it powder coated before, but it baked off within a few minutes. So, yeah, figured I'd get into some Cerakote. My blast cabinet, I'm looking at upgrading. I did the foot pedal thing. Just, I don't know. Not as nice as I'd like. But yeah, that's about it. I pulled down my little tent I had over here, and that's my setup for now. Alright, stay tuned there. We got the 250R coming along mint. Hopefully have some have some smoke coming out the back of that soon. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.